Hello traders, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. Or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with the 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos.
Hello everybody, let's get started our trading session, and we have today $138 on our balance, so let's get started. We're gonna open with the highest amount from our deposit, right? And we're trading on 1 minute time frame as usual, right? So what's the strategy today, guys? We're gonna use the Keltner channel and of course the stochastic oscillator. Set the period to 5 on the stochastic. The overbought zone is 80 and oversold zone is 12. We keep them as they are, 20, I'm sorry, don't change anything. This strategy shows it's best on a 1 minute time frame, so that's why we open, as I said, on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let's do this. It's time to get started. Let's find the better and fabulous currency pair. For example, this one is gonna be all right. Let's open a short position. I'll explain the principle of the trade entry and let's point out the workspace. We see a potential reversal on the stochastic, and we can see that the blue moving average just crossed the overbought zone. Damn, we should also take a look at the chart. We see a good pump here. The resistance zone played out here too, and after this zone the price should go down into the correction, and this is also comes from the fact that the local trend is downward. That's why we opened the short position, guys, and there it is. New candle just turned up, and it should also have a downward dynamics. So far so good, right? So there's a 5 seconds left. Let's see. Of course we are in the profits. We got $249 on the balance, and let's change the trade amount and carry on the trading session. Before that, we need to find another currency pair in order to find a better position entry. Yeah, that's right. That's how we doing. Well, let's continue analyzing. I don't see anything good so far. Probably we should pay attention to the Keltner channel because the stochastic doesn't show us anything. I think we can open a long position here. So yeah, let me explain the principle of the trade entry. We see that the stochastic is at the bottom now, right in the oversold zone, and we're about to see the positive dynamics. Also take a look at this upper zone. This is a very strong level after which the price should go to the upside. Yeah, it's important to notice that the price has broken through the channel, and it's kind of obvious to expect a small pullback after this. So yeah, actually the same thing happened here. There was the breakdown and then a small pullback right after, and here the breakdown did happen and the pullback followed up, and here is obviously the same thing. That's why we opened long, right? So, and as you can see, the positive dynamics is gaining momentum. There are 5 seconds left and we are fine too. Second position is in profits. I'm kind of happy because we got $460 in the balance. Good job. Let's update it. Okay, but I'm not happy because we don't have a $5,000. Let's make like more than a few thousands, and then I'm gonna be happy. Maybe, just maybe. So let's carry on analyzing. I want to consider this one, and we should open a short here position. This currency pair has the highest payout rate so far, 84. And let me explain the principle of the trade entry for that position. Of course, we see a potential reversal on the stochastics. It's gonna move downwards. The price bounced off this particular support zone, and the pullback did happen, right? The local high has been updated, after which the price is gonna go downwards. So that's why we opened the long. Short. And also we see the rejection from the middle line of the channel, which enhanced our signal, make it better. We can also point out the downtrend on the chart, which enhanced the signal even more. So that's why I'm more than sure that this position will be in profits. Meanwhile, new candle showed up, but this one is also going down, and it has low volatility, and our position has been closed with a profit. Congrats, guys, we did it. We have a bit more than 4,800 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount for that and continue the trading session. Of course, as you can see, this strategy works perfectly on a 1 minute time frame, and that's why we are working here. Okay, so it's also very effective when we play out the trend or flat situation. All of that type of information you may see on my Telegram channel. There's a lot of information, as I said. You may just find some more strategies, you may find the stories or signals with the copy trading on my Telegram channel. You can text me and we'll trade together. So while I'm talking, I opened the short position here. I think we got it here. The position entry looks very promising. We have a downtrend chart on the chart. Let me point out, guys, and from this zone the price started going down. If you look at the stochastic, we see that the moving average hit the overbought zone, then it stayed in the sideways in a flat, and the further movement should be to the downside. We see this pullback here. The price was rejected from the support zone. The pullback should be over by now, and the price is gonna continue moving down in the direction of the trend. That's why we opened the short, guys. Down, round. Okay, like I said, the price started going down, and we have a great position entry level, by the way, and this one will end up in profits, I guess. 100% sure. Okay, because the stochastic has started moving towards the oversold zone, and there are literally 2 seconds left, and we are in profits, of course. Here we go, and this position has been in profits. As we saw, we got more than $1,000 on the balance, 1,500. I'm kind of happy. So there's no stopping here. We just started. Let's change the concept pair for the most profitable position entry. Now, we're also looking for the highest payout, and I think it makes sense to open a short position here. I'm gonna explain the principle of the trade entry, of course. This concept pair has the highest payout trade, 84, which is good for us. We don't pay attention to the stochastic. The support zone played out here. The small pullback followed up. The price entered the channel, and actually this correction has to be over by now, and the price should continue moving down in the direction of the trend. Yeah, the price rebounded from the middle line of the channel, which enhanced our signal again. So, and the breakdown seems to be happening. As we can see that dump, we see a good downward dynamics. We got a nice position entry level, I could say, and the stochastic has also reversed and is heading to the oversold zone, right? So good. And basically we see these low volatility candles, and then it's not doing any harm. Our position should be in the profits, and that's it. Let's change. Let's change the amount we don't need, but we have more than $2,000 on our balance. So like you see, the strategy is crystal clear, guys, and it works. So if you're a beginner, it's pretty simple to handle it. So try it out for yourself and make money with me and buy me, because you learn something, you're trying something, experience, guys. And let's change the concept pair. Let me just find the most profitable. For example, here makes sense to open 2 long positions. So have a look. We have an extremely strong support zone at this level. Let me point it out. After which the price started moving upwards, right? And also we realize that the stochastic is at the bottom, right in the oversold zone, and that obvious that is gonna reverse very soon. We play ahead of the market. Understand? And look at this massive downward dynamics from this level. That's why we're gonna see at least a small pullback. That's why we open the long. Okay, open the long. Okay, the support zone played out perfectly, guys. Like I said, the price is heading upwards. You see that. We see the crossing of the moving averages on stochastic right at the level 20. and it indicates that we have a nice position entry level. We perfectly calculated the timing and we're gonna end up in profits, and just now and again 2 profits. Nice. That's why we have $4,000 on the balance, but it's not enough. I told you about a 5,000, so let's open a few more. I want to show you more and assure you guys that this strategy really works. So please leave a comments down below. Your feedback motivates me a lot, and let's carry on the trading session and find the next currency pair, right? So let's continue analyzing. I guess you're understanding for now, even for now, that this strategy works perfectly and you must try it. This is your main goal for today from Tyler from the Fight Club, right? So let's open our long positions. Here we're gonna play out the pullback. I'll point out the workspace and I want to show you this upper zone. Yeah, let me just point out. Okay, and after which the price should change its direction, and in both cases, here and there, the price started going up, and I'm sure that the price is gonna do the same right here. Moreover, a massive downward movement has happened here, and as the stochastic is gonna break through the oversold zone, that's why we open long positions. Okay, like I said, the pullback is happening. There are actually 10 seconds left before the closing, and the price should go even higher. The candle has low volatility, and nice, all the positions is in profits. We close to $7,000, guys, and I guess we'll make final positions, right? And let's analyze the market in a more detail, just to be clear, to be sure, for the final positions in order to find the best up position entry too. So, well, just give me some. Okay, analyzing, and here it seems reasonable to open the short positions. We see a strong pullback here, and we open with the trend. We see the local downtrend here. The price broke through the channel, then a correction followed up. This one looks pretty healthy for this kind of movement, right? And we can see the consistency of the price movement. So after this correction, the price is gonna continue moving down. Meanwhile, the stochastic is in the oversold zone, and we should expect the price to go down. Now, we played ahead of the market, so let's have a look. Let's take a look. There are 15 seconds left, and we need just to wait. And few seconds. Nice, guys, nice. We are in the profits. We have a $12,000 on a balance, and I think it's high time to fix the profit, and we call it a day, right? So yay, nice. Let's move to the withdrawal. For now, I'm very happy because of the final profit. So let's move it. Let's withdraw $11,000. It's gonna be okay for me. Address and okay button. Transaction is being processed, guys. I'll attach the screenshot, of course, at the end of the video. So waiting for you on the Telegram channel. Don't forget about YouTube, Telegram, of course. Likes, comments, and subscriptions. By your comments, I know what to do. By your likes, I want to do the videos. So thank you. Have a good market. See you soon. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.